Home remedies for gastritis. Gastritis can be defined as inflammation, irritation, or erosion of the lining of the stomach, known as gastric mucosa. All or part of the gastric mucosa may be involved, thus, it can be classified as acute or chronic. Symptoms of gastritis vary from person to person, and many people have no symptoms at all. However, most common symptoms are nausea, vomiting, a feeling of fullness in the upper abdomen after eating, a burning or gnawing feeling in the stomach between meals or at night, indigestion, heartburn, abdominal pain, loss of appetite, dark stools, and bloating. First, carom seed. Carom seeds are natural antacids that is beneficial for gastritis. They provide relief to stomach mucous membrane from acidity and hyperacidity. Carom seeds can also treat indigestion, nausea, and bloating. Mix together 1 teaspoon each of carom seeds and dried ginger with a little bit of black salt. Take 1 teaspoon of this mixture with a glass of warm water 3 times a day. Second, ginger. Ginger can also effectively treat gastritis due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It can reduce inflammation and treat infection as well as alleviate symptoms like stomach pain, gas, indigestion, nausea, and bloating. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped ginger root to a 1 cup of boiling water. Cover and steep for 10 minutes. Strain, add honey, and sip the tea slowly. Drink it 2 or 3 times a day for about a week. Third, yogurt. Yogurt is a good addition to your diet, especially when suffering from gastritis. Yogurt with active live cultures is particularly beneficial in this regard. The probiotics present in yogurt helps protect your stomach lining from H. pylori bacteria that causes gastritis. Also, yogurt boosts the immune system to fight off infection more quickly. Eat 2 to 3 cups of plain probiotic yogurt daily until you get relief. Fourth, chamomile. Chamomile tea may also be very helpful in treating gastritis. It is rich in certain essential oils that are beneficial for the digestive system. It can even soothe the intestinal walls, provide relief from sudden pain, and eliminate the gas. Plus, it can reduce stomach inflammation and thus reduce the risk of ulcer. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flower to 1 cup of hot water. Cover and allow it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain, then add some honey. Drink this tea several times a day for a week. Fifth, peppermint. Peppermint is another herb known to treat gastritis due to its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antispasmodic properties. Its soothing properties can reduce inflammation of stomach lining, plus it can also have reduced nausea, indigestion, and heartburn. Take standardized enteric-coated peppermint tablets. Usually 1 tablet 2 or 3 times daily is recommended, but it is best to consult a doctor before taking it. Enteric-coated tablets will help avoid heartburn.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.